This year, trying to make a video about Riverfire for the Brisbane channel was full of hits and misses, so I thought I'd share the full experience with you and you may learn something from my mistakes. Last time I shot from Wilson's Outlook, definitely the best Riverfire vantage point, but this year I wanted to try from a different spot. I still wanted the bridge, but I thought I'd shoot from the other side to get the waterfall fireworks and better shots of the planes as they flew over. Last time I arrived around 11 AM and there were already people taking the good spots, so knowing Riverside wouldn't be as popular, I arrived at around 1:30. Mistake number 1. I was alone until around 5 PM, so I wasted half a day getting there so early. At least I got a good time lapse, and if you give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, it won't have been a complete waste of time. The plane flyovers were underwhelming as they didn't fly nearly as low as usual, possibly due to all the construction cranes along the river and the newly completed Neville Bonner Bridge. Eventually the day became dusk and the dusk became night. Finally the time had come. I'd framed the shot quite wide to include the bridge, the buildings beside it, and leaving enough space for all the fireworks above the bridge. That was mistake number 2. The highest fireworks weren't that high, and framing higher meant I lost a lot of the reflections in the Brisbane River. I had to shift the angle, but I would have been better getting a spot closer to the bridge as the fireworks were really too far away to look all that impressive at all. Thankfully I was also running my Insta360 camera to get the fireworks beside and behind me. Luckily, my camera battery waited until right after the fireworks ended to die. Then it was time to leg it and get myself across to South Bank for the drone show. This was the first year for such a show, so I didn't really know what to expect. I've got to say, I've never seen downtown Brisbane this busy at night. Definitely not for someone who can't handle crowds, but there was a great energy. Thankfully, the drone show turned out well. Let me know if you want me to post the full video of the show with original sound. I may not have captured amazing footage, but it was an enjoyable night out.